Previously on The Life of JT.
Hold tight, I've been right where you're standing. Just hold tight to me. The world tries to beat you and leave you lonely, but there's light you see. 'Cause now I know we are God. They can push, they can break, they can throw our bones away. Call me by another name, but I'm a champion.
What is up, JT Squad? It's April 17th, Easter Day. Happy Easter to everyone out there. We did buy a ham. We were going to go out to eat, but we decided just to cook a ham. We found this big old spiral ham for $13. I do got some free slot play, and we're going to place a few baseball sports bets. I've been doing pretty shitty on baseball sports betting. I missed one freaking ticket, well, two tickets. I missed them by one game. One was for $500 on a $10 bet, the other $300 on a $10 bet. So fingers crossed we can redeem ourselves. We're just placing real small parlays. I know everyone in the comments are going to say, JT, you got to put a lot of money on one game. Well, to be honest, I don't have a lot of money to put on one game. I've been investing a lot in my business, which hopefully May 1st I'll launch that. And it's just getting expensive to live here. $1,500 for rent. You got utilities. The gas is like $5 something a gallon. My job is way the heck out there. Speaking of the job, I did transfer to a different Amazon. So far, some hiccups have occurred, but I'm trying to make the best out of it. This is my first week. Next week will be my second week. I'm supposed to move to the department that I came from. They put me in a different department, but either way, we'll get it all together. We're gonna go grab some breakfast, do this slot play, eat some ham, bet on these sports, and of course you guys are coming with me. This is the Life of JT Productions. I made it to Rampart Casino. I got $5 in free play. We're gonna place 4 sports bets, 3 on baseball and 1 a mixed parlay, basketball and baseball. We don't have a lot of gambling funds this month. We blew all of our budget with the birthday, and then after the birthday we went out to the strip for a little bit and stuff like that. So just gonna use the $5 free play, hit the button 10 times, cash out what's there, do our sports bets. If we hit anything, our sports bets, maybe we could come gamble or do something later on today because the games are starting earlier, the first ticket I got. So fingers crossed. Let's go in there, let's do this free play, let's do our sports bets, see what can happen. That was a bust on the free play. Usually never win anything here on free play. I've actually never personally won anything myself on free play. But usually, sometimes you get like a nice pay line, you win like $10, $12, and you're like, all right, I just cashed my $12. But you literally seen that there was 53 cents left. You can't even get the change anymore. So just cash out, or just hit the last button, 8 cents, and leave the place a loser. But we did place our 4 sports bets. One's like 2 G's, so fingers crossed we hit that. We were gonna get Taco Bell, but then we decided just to get Jack in the Box. And you know why we decided to get Jack in the Box? You'll never believe this. The Taco Bell off Buffalo had no coffee. I mean, like, I can understand things go wrong, this and that, but like, how can you run out of coffee, like have no coffee? The machines don't work or something, she said. I'm like, for real? Breakfast, it's Easter day. Everybody's gonna be going to restaurants to eat breakfast in the morning because they're gonna be cooking with their family or going out to eat, and you have no coffee. So we had a coupon, $8 for 2 extreme sausage small combos, and we upsized to regular mocha iced coffees. And that's what we're gonna have for breakfast. We're gonna head back home. I do have my sports bets. I'm gonna go over those. We're gonna try to cash today. We gotta cash. One of the tickets is a little bigger. They say you only get 300 to 1 odds, and I did a $5 parlay, and it's $2 grand. So I don't know if they're gonna try to void out the ticket if I hit, but I guess we'll worry about that if it happens.
You like the scratchy thing? Yay? Happy Easter! Happy Easter!
It's that time of my day off. It is nap time. Then we're gonna cook the ham, but right now I'm gonna go over my sports bets of the day. I did $35 in bets, I did 3 $10 parlays, and I did a $5. So my bets, 3 of them are out. We're cooking the ham. The ham's getting close to being done. We got the potatoes on the stove cooking right now. I'm editing a new vlog because I'm doing the weekly vlogs and I'm gonna keep up on that. But I have 1 ticket left. Houston is down 7-2. If they can come back in 2 innings and score 5 runs, I have a chance. If not, we'll try again next time. That's gonna be the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully everybody had a happy Easter and many, many more. There's gonna be a lot of exciting things happening this summer. Also, little hint to my new business in the last video, so stay tuned for all that. Love you guys. Tomorrow's kind of going to be boring, so I probably won't do any filming, but we're going to have new vlogs every week for as long as we could go, and I don't see it stopping anytime soon. A lot of fun things happening. Love you guys, and we'll see you for the next journey. Next time on The Life of JT. Holy shit, the prices skyrocketed there. I mean, I know gas and food and everything's going up all around the world, but man, some of that stuff was ridiculous. $6 for a 12 pack of Coca-Cola?